Welcome guys back for another video. We're back at IAA. Today we're gonna show you all the Harleys they got here. They got a big selection of Harleys here, so we're just gonna go through, show you all the Harleys they got, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So let's go and see what they got. Alright guys, so here we have a 2019 Harley. This bike is a beast. Front fender's messed up. Oh, look what we got. I think we hit a deer. We got a little bit of hair here. Headlights busted. So it looks like it got dropped obviously on the side. This is all beat up. Bagger on this side's damaged also. So, but let's see, what does it say? Doesn't say if it runs and drives, doesn't say the mileage. Says it does have a key, so I mean, this is, if you're into this kind of stuff, I mean, this is a brand new truck. Or not truck. It's a brand new motorcycle. Let's see how much gas it has. Maybe it's got gas. I mean, you could... Yep, there's gas in there, so you can, I mean, you can start the bid at like $5 because the gas is worth $5, so...
Yeah, at least.
If you guys are into these kind of motorcycles, everything we show you guys, this is stuff you can bid on. All you gotta do is just register, get yourself an account, and you can bid on anything and everything that we show you guys in the videos here at IAA. Alright, go to iaai.com, and that's where you guys can find all this stuff that we're showing you guys. Alright guys, and the stock number on this particular thing. So let's just keep going and check out some more motorcycles.
Okay, here we got 2016 Harley Davidson with about 29,000 miles. This thing is in pretty good shape. The paint is all in good shape other than the damaged parts. Like right here, it looks like somebody laid it down. It's missing a cap here, and it looks like this is off that steering wheel, which we'll walk around.
Steering wheel, handlebars.
Handlebars. Also, the plastic up here is cracked a little bit. So right here, look at this. The handlebars are a little bent. Get new bars and some plastic covers and pieces over there on the bottom. Other than that, the seat and everything else in the prime condition. It just needs a wash basically, and it'll be good to go. And just replace a couple things, and they show them the stock number, so you guys could go make an account, bid on this thing, maybe win it, go cruising in the summer. So there's a stock number.
Alright, so next we got, guys, is a 2005 Harley. Obviously, this is a Harley video. So, yeah, this one, let's see, let's try to find the damage on this sucker. So, this side looks good. Let's see what we got going on the other side. It is a run and drive. And, we got some road rash here. The windshield's damaged. This little bar is damaged where your feet go. Let's see what else we got. Oh, the bag got torn up a little bit.
That was laid on the side.
Must have been laid, or you get a pack of empty cigarettes. It's tail light or turn signal. Turn signal's a little scuffed up. Oh, the seat. And let's see how many miles this thing has. It's got 34,700 miles and a busted mirror. And oh, it comes with this. I don't know. This looks like an aftermarket speaker. And then we do have a stock number.
There you go.
And go check it out, guys. Cool little bike, cool little project. Somebody can buy this, fix it up in their garage. Most of the stuff is just unbolt. You can just unbolt it, bolt up new stuff, and have yourself a nice bike. So. So right next to this other one that we just did, we have a 2017 Harley. Seems like it's missing a bunch of plastics. Some of them are right there on the ground. This is like the front fairing. And yeah, this thing says Las Vegas on it. The front, this piece is what's off. I don't know if it's damaged or what.
I think it's just,
it doesn't look damaged. The headlight seems fine. This front fender's beat up. And but let's look at the other side here. We got a little bit of damage here, so we're not sure if it's just the cover that was damaged or the clutches got damaged or what happened here, but it's all taken apart, so I'm guessing there's no oil in it. And yeah, that sucker's brand new though, like 2017, and it's already wrecked. And you could pick up yourself a project like this and fix it up. So let's just keep going. They got a bunch of motorcycles here, so let's just keep going.
so here we got a bike from the future. It's a 2020 Harley Davidson with only 500 miles on here. So somebody already within the 500 miles already managed to wreck it. And looks like the rear end on this thing is wrecked. You could see the back fender or everything in the back. You're gonna have to replace everything. The wheel and the tire looks to be all in good shape. So other than that, this piece of frame seems to be all in good shape. Just gonna have to bolt the fairings and all that back on the seat is ripped here, but this half of the seat is pretty good. But it looks like you're probably gonna have to replace the whole seat because it comes in one piece. Also got damage, got laid on this side as well. And that's for the front. That's all the damages that it has. Nice solid bike. So here's a stock number. You could have a brand new bike for a fraction of a price what you get at the dealer. The exhaust did not get damaged as far as we could see.
You're a liar. There's a dent right there.
Where?
Oh. Ain't over there.
Oh boy.
We might have to get Roman some glasses.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so the last bike we're going to show you today is a 2017 Harley. This thing is pretty cool. It's like a bobber style little bike. I don't even know. This might be a Sportster. It says it's a XL 883. So I'm guessing the 883 is probably the CCs. And it's got no windshield. It's kind of, yeah, it's like a Street Fighter looking bike. It's I can't even find the damages yet. Okay, so yeah, we found the damages. It looks like the front forks are a little bent, and but nothing else seems like I don't know if it got dropped. It doesn't look like it's... Tank's not dented. Oh, right here, there's a little dent in the tank. Yeah, pretty nice, solid bike. If you guys are interested in it, we're gonna show you the stock number. Go look it up, save it on your watch list, so when it does come time for it to go for sale, you guys can just be notified. And there's the lot number for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We thought this would be a cool little segment of just bikes. There was a lot of bikes here, so we just figured we'd make a cool little video about bikes. And yeah, you guys go check out. There are other Harleys that we did not have a chance to get in this video. So just hop on iaai.com, search up Harley Davidson, or if you're into other bikes, they got other bikes here too. Look it up, and they got something here for everybody. So go on there, find yourself a project, pick it up, fix it up, and it'll be ready by summer. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.